Have you ever pulled out freshly washed clothes, only to be greeted by a musty or sweaty smell? This stubborn odor often lingers because conventional detergents and fabric softeners merely mask smells rather than eliminating them. The culprit? Bacteria and mold, deeply embedded in fabric fibers. Today, we'll explore why these odors persist and how a simple kitchen staple, baking soda, can solve this problem permanently. Fabric softeners use synthetic fragrances to temporarily cover up odors, but they don't address the root cause. These chemicals coat fibers, trapping bacteria and moisture that lead to recurring smells. Worse, some softeners can damage fabrics over time. Baking soda, on the other hand, works differently. It neutralizes odors at the molecular level by breaking down acidic compounds. This makes it far more effective for long-term freshness. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline, with a pH of 9. When dissolved in water, it releases ions that neutralize acidic odor molecule.